Smith with GottaBeMobile.com, and here at CES 2018 we're checking out some new smart home stuff, and this one's security focused. We have the Canary View, and so this is a cheaper version of the Canary cameras that you're used to. They've removed some of the sensors, but for $99 you get a really cool camera that has some really smart features. This shoots in 1080p, and you get one-touch access to your emergency services. It'll look them up, so you don't have to know the right numbers. It'll connect you to the right people if you have a problem. There's also motion detection. They're working on people detection, and also with some outdoor cameras like this, they're actually working on a cool thing called package detection, so it'll detect when you get a package, because package thieves are a real pain for anyone who gets stuff delivered. I get about one package a week from Amazon, and it's a constant worry, even though I work from home, that someone's going to grab the package. So with this, it'll actually alert you when a package gets delivered, when that feature comes out later this year. So the Canary View is available for $99. It's on sale starting today. You can check out more in the link in the description below.